Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. Well, our dear Irish friends are having their annual St. Patrick's Day party, and I've baked quite a few things, and today we'll be baking a few loaves of Irish brown bread. Delicious, simple. Now let's get started. Irish brown bread for St. Patrick's Day. This is what we will be preparing today. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start with the wet ingredients. 2 large eggs, cups of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. We're going to mix the wet ingredients at low speed. We're going to begin with the dry ingredients. 3 cups of whole wheat flour and half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, there's a pinch of salt, a cup of oats, not the instant. Add the dry to the wet, a tablespoon at a time. I lined my bread pan with parchment paper that comes on the outside because after 1 hour, we will be lifting the bread loaf out of the pan and continue cooking in the oven for an additional 20 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle some oats on top of the bread, just for aesthetics. I think it looks really pretty. My preheated oven for 1 hour. It's been baking for 1 hour in the oven with just the parchment paper for an additional 20 minutes. I'm so pleased the way my Irish brown bread turned out. I'm just going to cut myself a little slice and taste it for you. I like my brown bread with butter. I'm going to say it, if you can only smell my kitchen. Delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy St. Patrick's Day. And it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Oh, so good.